tell him, I ain't gotta tell him. Working on a daily, come fuck with the kid. I'm a Cinderella, roll a cigarette.
What is up, guys? You are watching Down to Fish. I'm Mark, and today, you guessed it, we're back at it. We're at Center Hill Lake. Y'all stay tuned for that bass action. Fishing with the one and only Wiley Man. So guys, again, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment. Really, you guys, y'all been great so far. Everything I've asked for has been awesome, but a lot of you guys are still not subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do me a big favor, hit your subscribe button. Don't forget to hit your little dinner bell button so I can feed you guys some more videos. Y'all stay tuned for that bass action.
Look up to the sky like, oh, blah, blah, blah. Never lying, slaying all the lambs. Is a predator with prey upon the land. Let them testify, electrifying how I'm rated up again. This is God only judge, better rated as a 10. Ooh, Lord, you're probably right, I'm flattering myself. Sparring in the sun, fighting shadows of myself. Having conversations with the atoms in myself. Like if cake the only option, I will batter it as well. My talk is quite far from lifelines to icons. From Saigon to Zion, you might want to know. Pylon to pylon, I touch down when I want. You'll never be like him, so white flags you throw. Break away from everything they ever taught us. I study all the war till I meet with dollars. And we make a lot of noise till they call it coppers. But if London never tries, heaven help my mind.
Look at that. Oh yeah, boys and girls. Guess what we're doing today? We're fishing out on Center Hill Lake. Look at this beautiful little spot. Look at that. Just came right out. He's munching on something. Look, I'll show you what he's munching on. Oh. Bunch of shad. What is that? Yeah, he's munching on a bunch of shad. Oh, what is this? Dude, he's got like a... I don't know. Can't tell. He's got something in his mouth. But guys, hey, you're watching Down to Fish. Stay tuned for some more bass action. Look at this beautiful little spot. This thing is tiny. Look what's in there.
That's a swim bladder.
That's a swim bladder? No, it ain't. Look at it. I don't know. It just looks like a ball of like. It kind of looks like a like trout eggs or something. Is it really? But he's been munching on something, dude. Shad. That's what that is. Looks like it. Look, I pulled it out of his... What is that? Just scales and stuff? That's what that is. Boom. Fish number one of the day. Here you go. See ya. Look at this thing. Look how huge that is. As big as my chest. Look at that. There's one. Catfish. I said catfish. There you go, boys and girls. That's the first good one of the day. Smallie. About what, 17 inches? Yeah. Look at that. Boom. What you know about that? Center Hill Lake. There's one. Another catfish.
I'll pull it smallmouth.
I don't know why I'm calling them catfish. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful little smallmouth. See you, pal. Pal. I got drilled back here. Oh! Look at that. Flippity flop. Jump stop. Yeah. Boom! Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
That's the keeper, ain't it?
Maybe.
It looks like it could keep. It looks long enough, boys and girls. There we go. I think it's gonna be a smallmouth day today.
It's at 16 and a half.
Oh man. The eyes are deceiving. There you go, boys and girls.
Pretty.
Smallmouth.
Real pretty. A lot of them in here. We'll figure them out at some point.
Oh, largemouth. There you go. Whoa. Oh man. Look at that. Nice little largemouth.
Keeper.
That is a keeper.
Check him out. See if he,
Here, let's measure this.
just see what he.
Let's measure this little fella. Oh yeah, the keeper. He's 17 and a half. He's frozen. Yeah. Let's put him in timeout.
I just picked up on it and I was like, oh,
Walk through that shit. Yeah. Wow. All right, boys and girls. Look at that. That's a nice little spot. That's a 12-incher. That's a keeper spot. That's a keeper spot here on Center Hill Lake, boys and girls. Let's keep him over here with the largemouth. All right. Well, man. See that? Boom, son! Look at that. Said, tie on a different jig. Confidence bait. This little menace. It's a post-front conditions. We had some rain. Went from rain to sleet to snow. Past day. Today's a beautiful day. Like I said, it's post-front conditions. It's tough. It's really tough right now, guys. We thought we were gonna smash them. We smashed them this morning. Caught a few good ones, or not good ones, but caught a few. But finally, we catch this freaking thing. It's gorgeous, gorgeous smallmouth. Good one? Looks like a good one. Smallmouth. There he is. I think you foul hooked him. Smallmouth. Oh, guys, it's been tough.
Smallmouth with a tooth patch.
Smallmouth with a tooth patch.
Might be their said mean mouth.
All right, guys. So we got a fish, finally. I lost my confidence bait. I broke that thing off, and we're just trying to finish up the day strong, but it's been tough. It's been real tough, guys. Oh, dude, I've got lit right there. Gosh, dang it, I lost one, guys. We were having a good old conversation about the good old days. Nick got a little fray, guys. You always want to retie. Make sure you check your line right there. You're fishing up against these rocks and you get frayed up. Constantly check your stuff, because it's you don't want to lose a big one. Do not ever want to lose a big one. break off into a big one. You're liable here. Catch a 4 or 5, maybe a 6. Ain't that right, Wily Man?
Oh yeah.
So check it.
Definitely something that you need to watch out for, especially all day, fishing up here. You want to always check your line.
Check your line, retie. Palomar knot. Can't ever go wrong with the Palomar knot. It's easy to do. You can do it in the dark if you're good enough with your eyes closed. Make sure you lubricate it with some spit, water, whatever. You don't want to burn the line. Strong knot. Oh, all right, guys, that's it. That's all she wrote. Today didn't go as planned. We came back out here to Center Hill Lake 2 weeks later from that last video. So we thought that today was going to be a pretty good day. We managed to catch a few fish in the morning, and we thought it was just going to be one of those days again, but it wasn't, and that's okay. You learn some stuff. Got to learn to throw finesse baits, definitely after post front conditions. It was bluebird skies. The big 3/4 ounce jigs did not work as we thought like they were going to work. So, but hey, it happens, You slay some days, you slay them one day, and then you don't slay them another day. But hey, that's why we're out here. We're trying to figure it out. We're trying to just be better anglers. There's a Wily Man right there trying to get these fish that we caught. We put 2 in the box. We caught more, but most of them were little spots. And look at that. Ah, yeah. These spots are beautiful little spots too. Gorgeous fish. White bellies, green backs. There's that largemouth. Let's release him. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, as always, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribing to the channel just helps me out. Just want to really grow this channel. Next year is going to be a pretty good year. Going to be doing a lot of fishing, so y'all stay tuned for that bass action. And guys, just leave a like, leave a comment. Y'all guys want to see something specific, let me know. I'll try to do my best to answer any questions, anything you guys have, anything you guys want to let me know. Just tell me in the comment section below. Check out the I guess the new album that is coming out for the Morning After crew. That's the music that comes out that I put on the videos for most of these videos. But yeah, that comes out I think this Friday. So yeah, new music. All right, guys, as always, stay tuned for that bass action. This is Wily Man over here, and I'm Mark. You were watching Down 2 Fish, and now I don't know what you're gonna be watching. But peace out. We'll see y'all later.
Neighborhood throwing up the Mac, my lord. Look up to the sky like, oh my.